Greetings, and a very warm welcome to Storytelling Fundamentals. This course is your gateway to the enchanting world of tales, where we will explore the art and science of compelling narratives. Today we delve into one of the most crucial elements of a story, the protagonist. So, who or what exactly is a protagonist, you may ask? Well, in the simplest terms, the protagonist is the leading character or one of the major characters in a story. Let's take, for instance, Elizabeth Bennet from Pride and Prejudice. Her wit, independence, and moral rectitude make her the driving force of the novel. Similarly, in The Lord of the Rings, Frodo Baggins is the protagonist whose perilous journey we follow with bated breath. In essence, the protagonist is the character whose journey we follow. Why is the protagonist so important in a story? Well, it's the protagonist who drives the story forward. They are the ones whose decisions, triumphs, and even failures shape the narrative. The protagonist is our guide, our lens into the world of the story. Their journey, their transformation forms the crux of the narrative, engaging us emotionally, making us invest in their fate. Without a protagonist, a story lacks direction, purpose, and emotional engagement. They are indeed the heart of any compelling narrative. Can a story have more than one protagonist? Indeed it can. While traditionally stories spotlight a single hero, some narratives feature several main characters, each embarking on their own unique journey. This can add layers and depth to a narrative. To illustrate this, consider Pride and Prejudice, where both Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy are considered main characters, each navigating their own path within the story. We hope this clarifies the concept of a protagonist in storytelling. We've journeyed through the importance of a leading character, as exemplified by Elizabeth Bennet and Frodo Baggins, and also touched on stories with multiple main characters. Each protagonist, single or multiple, drives the story forward, shaping the narrative with their actions. If you found this video useful, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into storytelling.